Hi, welcome back. I'm Martin. So I've been getting quite a lot of comments regarding cooking naan bread on my tandoor. So yesterday, for the first time, I thought I'd give it a go. Got some great results in the end, but it took a bit of time to get there. It wasn't quite as easy as I thought it might be. I actually made my own gaddy as well to put the naans on with. However, I need to rethink it because, as you can see there, it's not quite survived it. So I only got to use it like on that one cook, and now I'll have to make a new one. So yeah, just see how we get on. Enjoy the video. Please comment, let me know what your thoughts are, and subscribe, like, and all that malarkey. So just before I get the tandoor lit up, I just thought I'd just have a quick inspection just to show you. There must be some moisture got in, even though I have been covering it up with a barbecue cover. You can see, if you watch my original video, that the vermiculite has sunk quite a lot there. So not so sure what I'm going to do about that yet. I might just top it up, see if it dries out. The other thing I did notice, if I can just get my camera around there, is I've got an almighty crack appeared just on the side and just down the bottom look of the bottom pot. I may need to fill that up with some cement at some point, some fire cement I should say, but I'll see. I'm going to fire it up anyway now and do another cook and get these naans done. So I've now got an oven. The wall temperature, look, is 500 degrees. Right, so what I've done there, it's so hot now, that is, that I've actually tried to push the charcoal to one side so that the heat isn't directly on the naan bread when we put it on, and it doesn't burn it. So I've got my homemade gaddy. I'm just going to pop a little bit of flour on that, look. Get our naan. Just over there in a minute. Sorry, quick outtake there. Better get my glove on first. Start again. Shouldn't be putting in my hand in there without a glove on. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's get that straight out. There you go. So let's just get a bit of melted butter on that with some coriander in. I'll tell you what, that looks absolutely fantastic. That literally took less than a minute to cook that. And there you go, homemade naan bread on a homemade tandoor. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. bit. Okay, get it in the oven. Right, I think that's about ready. It's took less than a minute, it's about 45-50 seconds that. Let's get it straight off. On the board. Nice little bit of butter. There you have it. Naan bread on a homemade tandoor. Right, so yeah. Okay, so I've got me homemade gaddy. We're going to get the bread on now and see what that looks like. So here we go. Oh, bollocks. My drone got stuck up a tree.